Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I've got an unboxing for you guys, which is the Ledger Flex. And it does also come with $70 worth of Bitcoin as it says. I'm not sure how you're supposed to claim that or how that thing really goes on. It's got a little bit of a touchscreen. It supports thousands of cryptocurrencies. You could securely have them secured using this wallet. And it says here the most secure crypto wallet. Not sure how true that is, but it hopefully is. And around it, you just see that $70 worth of Bitcoin. This thing, with this $70 worth of Bitcoin thingy, it's gonna cost you about, let's see, $350 to $400, depending on where you live. In some countries, maybe $200, $250, but without the $70 worth of Bitcoin. That is very important. But anyways, I mean, you're paying basically just to get extra worth of Bitcoin. I don't know if they're gonna actually give you the Bitcoin as a gift kind of a thing, or they're gonna give you $70 worth of Tether that you can go ahead and buy your own Bitcoin. We'll find out anyway. All right, let me just go ahead and open this thing. I've not opened it before. It is super sealed, as you can see there. Let me just open it. I'm doing it with one hand. It's going to be difficult. Just a moment. And believe it or not, getting this seal off was actually very difficult. I was not expecting it to be that hard to open, but at least we know it's secure. Oh, it's like the iPhone thing. It's got this thing that it's like side to like unlock or open or something. Let's just try this. I believe this makes it secure so that you know your wallet has not been tampered before. So let me just do that. Yes, I've done that. And behind that, you've got the Ledger Flex thingy. So it's pretty cool that they put that seal in there, because that little thing, even though it was like pretty tough, this thing, it's not very secure. So let's it reminds me of a phone kind of a unboxing feeling, but at least it's got a screen to it, so it makes things supposedly easier. Okay, here we go. So you scratch to reveal your Bitcoin code and you can claim it, I believe. I'm not gonna scratch it in front of the camera, obviously. I'm gonna keep this thing with me. And here we've got the beauty. I believe is, yeah, we got the cable in there. I was gonna say that, but we got the cable right there, and not sure how to open that. I believe it comes with a Type C kind of a cable, and I hope so. Yes, it's a Type C to Type C kind of a cable, and I recommend to use your own cable. Do not use other people's cable, because they could be tampered, and your stuff could be compromised. Okay, so it's actually very small and very light. It's got a pretty build quality to it. I believe it's like carbon fiber plasticky thing. Around it is like brushed aluminum. It gives you the feeling of an iPhone 4 for some reasons, you know. Not sure what that is for, but it's got Bluetooth and stuff in it. And I'm just gonna try to power this thing on. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. So it is indeed touch, and it's showing you some things. The touch is very responsive and very nice, actually. So I'm just gonna put this aside. Let's see what else we get into the box. You get 3 sets of these recovery sheets that where you're gonna type in your recovery codes. Let me just take these out, show you what's inside it like. So, wow, that's a couple of pages of recovery codes or keys or whatever, or words. This is what's gonna secure your crypto. So you're gonna have 3 of them. You can even make your own copies and keep them somewhere. I believe, I don't know, under your bed or your pillow or wherever you want, under your carpet. I was messing with you. Wherever you think it's secure, because if you lose your recovery keys, your crypto is gone. Let's say if I lose this or it gets damaged, I can buy another of these and basically recover my crypto. But if you lose your recovery key or stuff, Ah, I'm sorry, your money is gone. It's technically just locked in the blockchain, if that makes sense. Let's see what else we get in there. I believe you get it's telling you how to use it, regulatory statement and stuff. It's a couple of pages. I'm not really going to read that anyways. So I'll keep you guys posted if there is anything, any questions, anything you might be curious about. Please do let me know. But this thing is pretty good. The build quality is really nice. And it gives you a feeling of a wallet kind of a thing. And it's got Bluetooth and everything. The touchscreen is nice actually. I believe it's not reflective. You can even use it like in the what do you call it, like in the, under the direct sunlight without a problem, because I believe it's like black and white kind of a thing. It's pretty nice. Doesn't have a lot of weight to it, and it's easy to carry around with you. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Have fun and stay awesome.